Good evening and a warm welcome to the Heal Security Dispatch Daily Digest, your go-to source for the latest in cybersecurity trends and expert insights, proudly presented by Heal Security. I'm Ed Hall, joining you from London, ready to explore the vital nexus of healthcare and cybersecurity intelligence today. Today is Wednesday, the 23rd of July, 2025. Join me as we explore the complex terrain of cybersecurity in the digital world. A gaming mouse sold by Endgame Gear was found to be infected with xRAT malware straight out of the box. The malicious code granted attackers remote access to users' systems without their knowledge. Security experts believe this is a clear case of a compromised supply chain. The mouse was sold through legitimate channels, raising trust concerns among consumers. Investigations are ongoing to determine the full scope of the breach. A recent Microsoft breach has exposed classified data from multiple U.S. government agencies, including the NIH and National Nuclear Security Administration. Hackers exploited a flaw in SharePoint, allowing access to sensitive internal communications. The breach is being linked to suspected state-backed actors. Officials are now assessing the damage and tightening security across affected platforms. It's the latest in a string of attacks targeting critical federal infrastructure. Researchers have uncovered a new variant of the Zuru malware targeting users of the Termius SSH client. The malware hijacks Termius configuration files to harvest login credentials from developers and system admins. Victims are tricked into downloading compromised versions of the tool. This marks a growing trend in targeting trusted developer tools for credential theft. Users are urged to validate all downloads and monitor for suspicious SSH activity. Cybercriminal group Mimo is targeting e-commerce platforms running Magento and WooCommerce. The group is injecting JavaScript skimmers into checkout pages to harvest customers' credit card information. Attackers are using obfuscated scripts that evade detection by many security systems. The campaign appears to be global, affecting stores across Europe, North America, and Asia. Retailers are being urged to audit their codebases and update security protocols immediately. A new ACRStealer malware campaign is using Google Docs and Steam as lures to deliver info-stealing payloads. The malware targets browser-stored credentials, Steam sessions, and crypto wallet data. It's being spread via phishing emails and malicious file links. Security experts warn that abuse of trusted platforms makes detection and prevention more difficult. Users should avoid downloading files from unknown sources and enable two-factor authentication. A sophisticated malware campaign is hijacking legitimate Windows utilities to steal banking credentials. By abusing tools like curl and PowerShell, attackers bypass antivirus software and exfiltrate data silently. The malware is disguised as routine system activity, making it hard to detect. Thousands of machines have already been compromised in this campaign. Experts recommend disabling unnecessary scripting tools and monitoring outbound traffic closely. Healthcare provider AMEOS has confirmed a massive data breach affecting millions of patients across Europe. Personal and medical information may have been exposed in the cyber attack. Authorities are investigating the scope and origin of the breach. Users have been warned to remain vigilant and monitor their accounts for unusual activity. This incident adds to growing concerns about cybersecurity in the healthcare sector. Thank you for listening. I'm Ed Hall, and we appreciate your time and listening. I'm excited to have you with us again tomorrow for more insightful updates. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe for continuous coverage and expert analysis, and sign up for a free trial of Heal Security Desktop at healsecurity.com. Until we meet again, don't have nightmares, stay informed and secure in the digital world.